In this video, we will understand receive from workshop stage under services workflow. Now, why do we need this? For an example, you do not want to track outgoing garments. Now, this scenario is possible only if you have all the garments sent to a processing unit which is owned by you. Or maybe all the garments for a particular service are sent to a single vendor. So in both of the cases, you are aware that a garment which you have booked is sent to a single source from outside of the store. Now, how to configure this stage? Let's move to Super Admin. In Super Admin, move to Master Services and select the service you want to configure. I am selecting Leather Care. Click on View Edit Service Flow. Now select the second option, to be received from workshop stage. And click on Save. Select the stores you want to apply. Update. It's done. Now we have three different services. Alteration, which marks garment ready automatically. Steam ironing, which moves garment to pending for finishing stage. Leather care, which moves garment to receive from workshop stage. Let us see the impact on an order. Let's create an order. I am selecting alteration for the shirt and steam ironing for another shirt, and this time leather care for a coat. Click on Add to Order, Save. Now we have three different services: leather care, alteration, and steam ironing. And all these three services have different workflows. Order number is 17. Let's search for this order on home screen and open the delivery screen. Now we can see, based on the different workflow we have configured, a garment stage has been set up. Alteration garments are automatically ready. Steam ironing garments are configured as pending for finishing. Leather care garments are configured as to be received from workshop. We can access these screen or these stages from process menu. We will understand about these stages and how to move garment from one stage to another in another video. Thank you.